Here.
What?
No camera. Hey, Bob says he'll take a piece.
Mark cat.
Remember, you got somebody in trouble before like that.
Here, Bob.
Yes.
Stephanie, hold a bucket. Hey.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Come on.
oh, shit. I know where this is going.
Yeah, get over there. Come on.
Come on, Moo Moo.
Come on, baby.
What?
Come on.
We got chicken.
It's KFC.
Oh, my God. Ophelia Pearl.
You gotta watch out.
Turn it, turn it, turn it. Yeah, there you go. What, Moo Moo? Nope, it's over there. Talk to Daddy. Hey, there's a cell phone.
Are you ready? You ready? Get out of there now.
I got it.
All right.
What, Moo Moo? You didn't need that eye, did you? Watch it, Bob.
Hey, that
Hoover's in the house.
All right, Bob. It's a one-time deal here, Bob. All right, let's make Bob.
Not forceful, are you?
Come play.
I think you know this song.
Look, look.
Tongue-alicious.
You know what's really bad?
You're running out.
When I decide I want the rest.
I gotta eat too.
It's all gone.
So you're going for a ride?
Not that I foresee anytime soon.
Really? Well, that was a good start.
I want to start off small.
No wonder Ophelia lays down like she does.
Moo drool all over my
Mule
phone.
drool. Moo Moo says, "Let me see. Let me see my mule drool."
There ain't no more left. Hey, you'd really like this shit, but I ain't gonna do it. Smell it.
Burnt ass. Nope, can't have it. Move along. Move along.
Move it on up. Oh, sure.